Question 16. Mr. Sani sold 4 times as many iPads as laptops and collected a total of $8,400. The amount collected for all the iPads sold was $3,480 more than the amount collected for all the laptops sold. Each laptop cost $325 more than each iPad. How much was collected from selling all the iPads? B. How many laptops did Mr. Sani sell? Now, this question has quite a bit of information and every sentence seems like it's complicated on its own. Let's simplify it by unpacking what we know. We know that the number of iPads sold compared to laptops is 4 to 1, right? And it's a total of $8,400. Now, amount collected for all the iPads sold was $3,480 more than that of laptops. Now, by just looking at this portion of the word problem, it looks like we could draw a model to tell how much was spent on all the iPads and how much was spent on all the laptops, isn't it? Now, from there, we could move into the next portion. Each laptop costs $325 more than each iPad. So let's just work with what we know we can do. We could start by saying 4 units of iPads versus 1 unit of laptops. Everything, it will be $8,400. Amount collected for all the iPads was $3,480 more than that of laptops. So in terms of the amount spent on iPads, that is more than laptops by 3,480. Okay, so based on this, let's find the total amount spent on each item, each of the items. So cost, perhaps I'll write down amount spent on 1 unit of laptops. That would be $8,400. Take away 3,480 divided by 2. And from there, it would be $2,460. On the flip side, we could find the amount of money collected from the iPads. That would be 4 units of iPads. So we take 2,460, we add to 3,480, we would get $5,940. Now, how much was collected from selling all the iPads? This would be the answer. Let's move on to the next portion. The next portion tells you that each laptop costs $325 to each iPad. Wow, looks like it's very hard for us to compare because we know that the cost of 1 laptop is different from the cost of 1 iPad. On the other hand, we have this additional problem that the number of iPads sold is different from the number of laptops sold. So with so many uncertainties, there's no common ground to work on. What I could possibly think of is, if we can find the amount collected from 4 units of iPads, can we then find the amount collected from 1 unit of iPad? Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So I will take $5,940 and I divide it by 4. That will give me $1,485. Okay. So let's see. We next need to move on to find the difference in price between 1 unit of iPad and 1 unit of laptop. See, there's common ground now, right? What is the common ground? The common ground is we're comparing 1 unit of laptop versus 1 unit of iPad. So this step is really crucial. We're going to find the difference in price. Okay, in amount collected perhaps. In amount collected between 1 unit of iPad and 1 unit of laptops. So that would be $2,460, take away $1,485. And that would give us $975. Okay, now we know from the question that one laptop is $325 more than one iPad. So one laptop minus one iPad is $325. Yeah. And the thing is that we do not know how many units of iPads and laptops there are in one unit. We know that a certain number of iPad minus a certain number of laptops, that certain number is the same, will give you 975. So how many times of this 325, right, would then make 975? So if we think about it, if we split 975 into equal parts of 325, you realize that 975 divided by 325 gives you 3. Oh, so this means that in 1 unit of iPad, there are 3 iPads. In 1 unit of laptop, there are 3 laptops. Okay, so 1 unit refers to 3 items. And now let's come to the question. For B, they asked you, how many laptops did Mr. Sammy sell? Mr. Sammy sold 1 unit of laptops. So since we have found 3 items in 1 unit, therefore he sold 3 laptops. So this is the answer for question 16B. I hope the explanations will be able to help you understand such questions more. Thank you.